What's up, everyone? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears. This is video 4 from Endless Summer in Ocean City, Maryland, where in this video we'll be giving away a Bangin Gears fleece. I have it in a large size only and in a men's or a women's, so don't worry, ladies. I always got you covered if you win. Make sure you check back with the other 4 videos. We gave away another fleece earlier in the week and a couple of baseball caps. So in order to win any of the giveaways, you need to like, comment, and be subscribed to my channel on YouTube. And that'll put you in the running to win the gear. All the winners will be announced in a video I'll put out October 16th, which is a Saturday. So make sure you look out for that and see if you've won. And if you're interested, don't forget to check out our Facebook group called the Bangin Gears Garage, where if it's automotive, anything goes. Post your flyers, post your pictures from all the events you guys go to. You have questions, want to talk to other automotive enthusiasts. If it's automotive, anything goes. It was a great week. Hope you enjoyed all the videos. The weather held out. Drive home safe, and we'll catch you in May at Cruisin Ocean City.